In this Java tutorial, we are going to learn the Java with a mix of both theoretical and practice exercise. So it will help learners to understand how Java evolves and how it works and what are the areas it impacts. Welcome developers and Java learners. Today we will explore Java and its critical role in the modern software industries. So let's go with the slides and we will see how Java impact our industries. So next we are going to understanding the Java and its core characteristics. So Java is a high level language. Why it's a high level? Because it uses human readable syntax instead of complex machine codes, and it's object oriented, so it organizes the software designs around objects or data rather than functions. So it's a platform independence means we can write the code once and we run it anywhere, so program runs on any operating system without code modification. And it's a cross platform compatibility. It works seamlessly across different operating systems. What are the practical advantages of the Java? It's easy to learn because it has simple syntax, so it makes a beginner friendly, and it's an enterprise leader, so it adapt for large scale business application. It has robust security, so built-in features protect against the vulnerabilities and unauthorized access. Memory management, it has a automatic garbage collection to manage the system resource. In this slide we are going to see the creator and development of Java, its origin. So who created the Java language? James Gosling. So he led the entire creation team and they developed at Sun Microsystems. So research began back in the year of 1991, and they officially launched Java version 1 in the year of 1995. So later Oracle brought the Sun Microsystems in the year of 2010. So they took over all maintenance and still drives the Java updates. Why Java stands out? Because it's a platform independence. Its core concept is Java programs runs on any device or operating system because it relies on Java Virtual Machine, and its motto is write once, run anywhere. Then its object oriented structure, and its core concept is Java organizes the code into modular real world units called as classes and objects. So what are the benefits of this? Code becomes highly reusable and easier to maintain, and its focus promotes the clean architecture and reduce redundancy. Automatic memory management, its core concept is Java automatically handles the allocation and deallocation of the memory. It's uses a built-in tool we called as a garbage collector. So benefit of this is greatly reduce memory leaks and pointer related crashes. For the successful Java programming, we require the structured principles that are all the learn Java foundational syntax, like data types, variables, loops, and need to write the code with correct syntax. It avoids the initial compile error. Then we need to set up the environment, so we have to establish the Java development kit. It provides the essential tools, and install the developer environments like IntelliJ, Eclipse, or basic text editors. Then these tools will help to write the code, and it simplifies the writing and debugging the code. And last principle is the execution workflow. Once we write the code, it saved as source code with class name, with the file name .java. Then compiler will compile our source code. It converts the source code into bytecode with dot class, and Java virtual machine will interpret that bytecode into that machine code.
Java unique features are security via bytecode verification, and its core concept is Java code compiled into an intermediate form called bytecode. So before running this code, Java Virtual Machine JVM checks this bytecode for the safety anomalies. So benefit is it prevents malicious code from directly corrupting the system memory. The next feature is robustness through strong type checking. Java strictly enforces variable type at both the runtime and compile time. It catches potentially type mismatch and syntax error early before the code execute, and it reduces unexpected application crashes and logic flaws. Then next feature is multi-threading for concurrent tasks. Java natively allows a single program to execute multiple pods or threads at the same time. It greatly improves performance in heavy applications or network servers. Then it maximizes the use of modern multi-core processor. Here you can see the use of Java in real life. You can use it in banking and financial transactions. So application powers secure internet banking systems and electronic payment processing. Why we select Java? Because it's robust security features and reliable handling of massive daily data volumes. It ensures transaction integrity, multi-layer data protection. Then we can see it in healthcare data management. It manages patient medical records, hospital administration workforce, and healthcare tracking information. It keep highly confidential data accessible, it's secure, and it promotes system stability to minimize critical medical software crashes. Then we can see it in mobile application development. It serves as a foundational core programming language for Android mobile ecosystems. It integrates directly with Android SDK to control device hardware like sensors, cameras. Then it enables developers to build high performance cross device capable consumer applications. Understanding common mistakes can help beginners avoid making the errors. So Java versus JavaScript confusions. Beginners often assume these two languages are identically or closely related due to the shared name, but it's not true. Java is statically typed compiled language used for backend and mobile systems, while JavaScript is a dynamically typed script language primarily used for web browsers. Then middleware layer issues. Beginners believing Java code interacts directly with and run native on Windows or other desktop operating system, but it's not true. Clarifying that Java source code compiles into bytecode, which the operating system cannot read directly, so it requires an intermediate runtime layer to execute. Next, platform independent code versus platform specific JVMs. Most of the beginners thinking that's a single universal Java virtual machine software package works on all operating system. It's not true. You must install a Windows specific JVM for Windows to run the bytecode. Let's recall the Java's major features using the acronym SPARMS. So the concept is grouping all core features under one word. It helps learners to retain the six main pillars of Java. Core pillars. S stands for secure. It's for bytecode verifier. And P stands for platform independent. It highlights the right ones and read anywhere. A stands for automatic memory management. It mentions the garbage collector which prevents the memory leakage. Then R stands for robust. It's for type checking, strong type checking. And M stands for multi-threader. It runs multiple concurrent threads to leverage multi-core CPUs. And S stands for simple. On the next video, we are going to discuss about the history and evaluation of Java, why Java originally named Oak and then why it renamed to Java. and subscribe for the next video.